Hello, this is Reginald Stinson. As you can see here, I am live in my account, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing right now. I withdrew a lot of money out. I'm actually trading this, gonna take profit here soon and withdraw some more once the pending withdrawal is approved. But what I wanted to show you guys really quick is some history about today before we jump into the next part of the video, to show you guys that, you know, we're getting results on the UOP. Obviously, this is my account, so I'm getting results. I can definitely teach you a few things about trading. But most importantly, guys, I want you to check this out. And I don't know why every time I hook my phone up to the computer, it shows the wrong time. But anyway, check this out. So you see the history here. You see that I made over $1,100 a day on this account. This is my live TradersWell account. You see that it is live, and I'm going to go back here and show you $1,100 to show you that I'm actually in a live trade with 28,000 left in the account. For the week, you see that I did over, let's see what we did for the week. Okay, $7 grand for the week so far, the last 7 days or whatever, because I haven't been trading on this. But for the month, you're looking at 66,000 in profit for the entire month, the last 30 days. I transferred some money out between different accounts into my bank account, so that's why the balance is low here. Okay, but you see that is a live account, and again, you cannot withdraw demo money. Okay, see those withdrawals. Now, jumping over here to this account, let's just show you this one. Okay, this is another TradersWell account. I just opened this up, I believe it was yesterday, and we're going to click on the history and show you that, you know, did over $1,000 a day. Lower lot sizes for you guys that can't, you know, do big lots or whatever. But here's what I want to show you. Okay, let's look at the week, because I just did this today. What I wanted to show you is that if you look here, on yesterday I deposited $998.99, and the reason why I did that is so that I would have 1 on 1,000 leverage. Okay, because anything under $1,000 I'm able to have more leverage. And by me doing that, you see that the next day, which is today, I was able to basically earn well over 100% return on my money within 24 hours. So your results will vary. These results are not typical. I have to give these disclaimers. You know, you have to have a certain skill to be able to do this. However, it is possible. Okay, so if you look at the day, you're looking at over $1,000. So that's over $2,000 a day from my smartphone. Now, a lot of you guys are watching this on Facebook. You're watching this on YouTube, wherever you're watching it. I don't know why you're taking so long to make a decision, because the longer you take, the more opportunities you miss out on, which could potentially change your life and obviously put you in a place to where you could start learning this skill that is earning us thousands of dollars per day. Okay, so if you're looking at this video on YouTube, again, click the link in the description of the video, below the video, to get more information about what it is. If you're on Facebook and someone else shared this with you and they are a Unit of Prosperity member, okay, Unit of Prosperity members only, okay, because this is the team you want to connect with. Make sure you ask them for their link. Make sure you verify that they are a Unit of Prosperity member, and ask them what it is you need to do to get started so that you can get plugged into our community and learn this skill that we teach our team. Okay, we teach this as a bonus in addition to what the company we partner with, iMarketsLive, gives us. Okay, so it's a fantastic opportunity, guys. It's a great opportunity, matter of fact. And again, the best opportunity out there. It does not involve any recruiting. I'm getting a lot of questions about, you know, how much money do I need to make $200 a day? Well, it doesn't really matter. You know, I can't specify a certain amount you have to deposit in a broker account in order for you to make a certain amount. Like, it doesn't work like that. As you can see here, I put in $1,000 and made $1,000 a day. So it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the amount of money you put in. There's too many components and too many factors that will determine what your daily profit could potentially be for me to even give you an estimate on that. So please stop asking that question. What you need to do is to stop trying to figure out how much it costs you to make $200 a day, and for you to actually sign up and get in the process of learning how to make $1 a day. Because I can guarantee you right now that outside of your job, most of you guys are not even making $1 a day passively doing anything. Okay, you're not making anything in the bank but 1% a year. So even if you can get involved in this and not necessarily focus on trying to get rich overnight, because that's what most people do. You see these numbers I put up, and then all of a sudden you think that automatically it's going to magically happen for you just like that. And it's a process. Like I said, it's a process that got me to this point. But the point is that you want to get started and get in the process. You see the balance, $2,000, okay? Get in the process of learning this skill to make money. Focus on making an extra $1 a day, $2, $3, and just double every single day, okay? Because if you focus on the bare minimum, 1 to 2% a month, that you're going to be better off in Forex than you will be just having your money solely in the bank, okay? And I'm not suggesting that, you know, you cancel, you know, your bank account or take all your money out of your savings account. I'm not even telling you to do that. But what I am going to throw out there is that we have a team member that had a CD that only paid her $15 for 2 years on $3,000. So she had a $3,000 CD that only paid her $15 for 2 years. And she took that same $3,000, put it into Forex, all right, and was able to earn over $300 her first week. Your results will vary, okay? But she did that with our auto trader. We have an auto trader that wins, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Our auto trader is exceptional. He is great, okay? He's doing a great job right now. And that's kind of like having your own virtual 401k is what I would call it, okay? So, jumping down here, let me see if I can find this stuff here real quick because I'm on Facebook. Maybe I can't, maybe I can, who knows? I don't want to take too long on this video, but this is pretty cool, guys. Like I said, actually, let's do it this way. Let's jump out on the phone. And I'm going to jump in our Telegram group and just to show you, okay, that people are making money on our team. You see this? This lady is 68 years old, 67. Trading. Okay, $300 for the day. Okay. Look at this gentleman here. All right, $1,200 for the day. Okay. Look at that. Okay, it's not a fluke. It's all real. All right, here's money from the Fusion Trader. All right, $84, which means that is an auto trader. And I can keep going on and on and on because there's more images in here if I keep scrolling up. If you look at this, all right, $199 from the Fusion Trader. On and on and on, okay? But let me see here if I can find that Facebook group link. Here we go. All right, so if you come here on my Facebook, it's on here somewhere. All right, profit, okay? Profit, profit, profit. But I'm not going to keep the video long. We're going to transition to the next phase to where you're going to hear a story from one of our team members that's crushing it. Again, if you are connected with a UOP member, which most of you all should be, if you're watching this video, ask them what it is you need to do to get started. If you're on my wall and you see this from me sharing this with you, make sure that you connect with me via inbox or visit my link so that we can work together and get started. Either way, we look forward to working with you and plugging you into our community. We have a lot of cool bonuses that we offer our team members. So trust me when I tell you this, don't delay. Go ahead and get started because we've wasted money on things that does not, okay, that does not and will not and have not made us money. And we knew it wouldn't, but we did it anyway. So why not take the chance and the risk on yourself and join Forex, guys? It's not as complicated as you think it is. Okay, so
All right, good evening, everyone. My name is Lillian Marie. I'm with the Unit of Prosperity, and I want to welcome you here tonight. I'm going to introduce Dr. Adrian A. Gentry, who is a passionate speaker, author, and entrepreneur residing in Jacksonville, Florida. Both compassionate and equally as driven, Adrian is on a mission to awaken people to their infinite God given potential so they can achieve personal, spiritual, and financial fulfillment. And of course, a member of the Unit of Prosperity. Thank you so much, Adrian, for joining us today to talk about the Unit of Prosperity at iMarkets Live. So, Adrian, could you just tell us a little bit about yourself?
I think you just told everything I could possibly tell.
Well, you can add to it.
Dr. Adrian Gentry, lifelong serial entrepreneur. I absolutely love this industry. I never went into network marketing before, and I absolutely love Forex. It's just put a total different dynamic on my life, where I wake up every morning trying to trade. So I'm happy to be a part of the UOP team.
Okay, great. How long have you been with iMarkets Live?
I've been with iMarkets Live, I believe, since the beginning of March. Dr. Tanya Calendar, met her, got into a conversation one day about trading, and just so happened she was already in iMarkets Live, and so she sent me over the link. She told me the price was. I just signed up. I mean, I don't even remember looking at a video. The price. The price was right on time. I had spent, a couple of thousand the year before trying to learn how to trade. And at the end of every weekend, they would just ask me for more money. I didn't learn anything at all. So when she told me the price, I was like, wow, that's it? Yeah, send me that link. Let me get that out.
So how long have you actually been trading then?
Since day one. You know what? I sat back for about a week. I think I was traveling after I signed up, so I didn't have the time to trade that first week. But I kept seeing all the onslaught of comments coming from the UOP Telegram, and I said, people are making money. So I literally just put money into my broker account and began trading. So the first day I ever traded, I made like $200. The second day I traded, I made $400. So I was like, wait a minute. The first day I traded, I made $200. The second day I made about $400. And it was crazy. Like that was when the night switch really clicked on and said, you know what, I'll be doing this for the rest of my life. $400, I ain't do nothing for this. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing this the rest of my life.
Wow, that's insane. That's insane. So why do you think people are skeptical about iMarkets Live or scared of getting into this field?
Fear. I mean, point blank period, fear. They're listening to their mother, their brother, their cousin. They're listening to the little voice in the back of their head that's telling them it's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. And it's like, wait a minute, how can education be a scam? That doesn't even make sense. Majority of people go out and spend $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in student loans, never even question how much they're going to make when they get out of it, but they never thought that was a scam. And that just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, the investment to learn something that could potentially make you 7 figures, I mean, why wouldn't you try it? Or you can just stay in the position that you're currently in. I mean, I hate to say it like that, but it does not make sense to say something is a scam before you tried it. My mother used to always make me eat everything. You couldn't say it was nasty. It's like, it's nasty. Have you tried it? No, it ain't. No, I ain't tried it. How can you say it's nasty? It doesn't make sense.
Guilty. Well, so, okay, I know you said you had a $200 and a $400 trading days. So would you say that since then, what has your success been like with IML?
I'm gonna say it like this right here. I'm not one to post a whole bunch of income, what I've made for the day. But when you make 4 figures in a day, when you make $2,000, $3,000 in a day, sitting home doing absolutely nothing, not talking to anybody. I'm an introvert by nature. So for me to make that type of money sitting in the house doing nothing, oh yeah, I'm on it all day. That's And that's a day, a common day. And I can say, okay, you know what? I don't feel like working today. I don't feel like trading today. I can get up. I'm a beekeeper, so I go outside. I play with my bees all day. I do whatever I feel like doing. When I come back in the house, I don't have to worry about, if I don't feel like recruiting, I don't have to recruit. So that was one of the reasons I really began to promote IML, because it's like, wait a minute, this is a way to tap into a market where you can literally turn your phone. And when they say turn your phone into an ATM, that's really what it means. You can turn your phone into an ATM. You don't have to recruit if you don't want to. And you're going to make money. You know, I can't see how most people.
It kind of sounds like it's a cliche, but it's like the really true. It's like the truth. Right. You turn your cell phone into an ATM because you're placing trades on your phone, and if you place that right trade, you're making money.
Absolutely. That's it. Like that's it. And that's what I do full time. I sit here and I go to my ATM all day. You know what I mean? Like 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm at the ATM. I ain't even worried about getting robbed. It's crazy.
So you don't have, so this is your full-time job. If you want it to be, it can be your part-time, but this is your full-time job? Like this is supporting you?
Absolutely. I don't work. I don't work. I haven't probably worked in the last 2 years. So when trading came my way, I was in one of those seasons where it's like, what do I do now? What do I do now? I know I wanted to learn trading. Forbes, you look at the Forbes magazine, the 3 top ways that millionaires earn money is 1, of course, real estate. Then you have stock. Then you have foreign exchange. So if the very wealthy are doing it, and I believe in following success, I'm going to try to figure it out as well. So yes, it fuels my life. Basically, it fuels my income.
Wow. So what are your thoughts about the UOP team?
Amazing. Like I said, I knew nothing about UOP before I joined iMarketsLive. I knew absolutely nothing. He's a phenomenal leader. I have to give much respect to Reginald Stinson. Like, he's an amazing leader because he leads from the front. He's trading, you know what I'm saying? And I love the fact that our team, we actually trade. Like, we're not just going out there recruiting. We're not just trying to put people in a business or in the system. We actually trade. So I love his leadership. And when, like I said, when I got into the company, I didn't even know who Reginald Stinson was. I just remember being in the Telegram groups and people saying, "Hey, coach." I was like, oh, okay, I guess he's been trading for a while. To find out he was a newbie too, it was like, wait, this dude is on. That's what I'm talking about. So I keep that. I was in the Army, so I love leaders that lead from the front. You know what I mean? Don't just talk about it, be about it. And he's definitely one of those guys that's about his business. So I really enjoy being on UOP's team.
So basically hands-on, leading the team, doing the same thing that he's showing us, teaching us how to do, and just bringing everybody, lifting them up with him. That's definitely.
Absolutely. That's what leadership is all about. I can't say anything else. To bring somebody in and just leave them never made sense to me.
Right.
How can you call yourself, I don't want to get into it. How can you call yourself a real leader if you're taking your people and you're leaving them out to die? Doesn't make sense. But he definitely embodies what leadership is to me. As former military, as a businessman, he embodies leadership for me.
So have you ever done network marketing before?
No, it wasn't something that wasn't for me. I'm just say that. And truthfully, I've been in sales for years. My first sales job was I was 17 years old selling $8,000 water treatment systems. So I went from that to selling multi-million-dollar government contracts. I never found anything I was truly passionate about. Like Forex, like iMarketsLive. It's a skill set. And I'm not downing anybody in a network marketing company, but the reality is you don't own the field that, produce the tea. You don't own the oils, you don't own the financial services, you don't own those companies. So if they go under or you decide to quit, you no longer have those products to sell. But Forex is a skill set. It's forever. Like you can take this wherever you go for the rest of your life and trade wherever you are in the world. So it was one of those things that I had to begin to share. When you start making that type of money on your cell phone, it's like, wait a minute, I have to show people this. Like, I have to free the slaves, so to speak. I have to let them know that there's a better way than working 40-40. That just don't make sense to me. It never has made sense to me. But this is a skill set that people can utilize forever.
Right.
And I'm sorry. I can't sell 1 million packs of tea. I'm just saying, I'm not downing anybody, but that's just not the kid. I just can't do it.
I mean, you don't want to sell that many packs of tea when you can make just that much money in a couple of hours, right? Like, I had to kill myself trying to convince you to take this tea.
And like I said, I'm not down in those industries. People make tremendous amount of money in those industries, and I commend each and every one of them. It's a business. You built your business. You hustle. You do whatever you have to do to build that business. But on the side of building that business, even if you're in one of, in another network marketing company, transition to learn a skill set to make money, silent money. Learn something that you can pass on and teach your children. Like, learn something to improve yourself, more than just personal development, but financial development, mental development. Like, learn something. Right. Don't just run until, the opportunity's over with, and then you go pick up another opportunity and begin to run again. It just doesn't make sense to me.
And I would say this is like just an amazing opportunity. But so I'm gonna ask you one more thing. What advice would you give someone who is interested in trading?
One, have stick-to-itness. Have stick-to-itness. This is a skill set. It's not going to come the first week. I've had people, they think they're about to make $1 million out the gate. Listen, it don't work like that. You know what I mean? Or they wait to right before it's time to make a payment, and then they want to trade that week, and then they quit. Like, it doesn't work like that. Life don't work like that. You just can't pick something up and drop it down and expect you make $1 million. 2, join a team that trades. Is your team trading? If you want to get into trading and actually understanding these charts, UOP, I have to tell you, we actually trade over it. Like, join a team that's actually engaged in the very skill that you want to learn.
Wow. Amazing. I so appreciate you. Thank you so much for all that outstanding advice that you just given to us. I'm so glad you joined us tonight, and I'm looking forward to continue to grow with you and the rest of the team. And for those that are tuning in, make sure you get with the person that shared this video with you so you too can get started in this amazing business. Good night and happy trading.
Appreciate you.